What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be playing PUBG Mobile Lite, and we're gonna play solo mode, and this is gonna be fun. Win or lose, I'm gonna post this video. I need you. So let's just, it's loading. It's still loading. Let's wait for it. Alright, I'm bored. I'm already bored. Faster, PUBG. Faster, come on. Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, it's starting now. There we go. It's starting right now. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I entered the match and figured out it wasn't recording. Now I can get back. Alright, so we already got guns. Oh, what's up? We got some over here. We got meat, the smoke in the stone. Oh, I need the pan. Because pans are fantastic. That's a bad part of it. Stick. Get it there. I think the best get to my face. I'm gonna tell you what happened. I already got 3 kills. Wait, I only got choking. I have a lot of contact earlier. There's a lot of enemies here. There were a lot of them. They were spreading out here. I think we're gonna go to a mountain or a hill and see if we can get viewed. Oh wait, I think I see one. Oh yeah. There's one right there. Alright, let's get closer. So my whole focus is gonna be now on that guy over here. Oh, I got him. Come here. Come here. Alright, did I kill him? Did I just kill him? Oh, okay. Thanks for making me spot. Oh. I see one right there. This one closer. Oh, this game's fast. Because I exited. And I came back. I think we're going to find a vehicle. Okay. Ah, he spotted me. That's right. Alright.
PUBG? Ha? May kalaban ko dyan? Masti? Ano mga kalaban mo?
Mga...
Online din?
Oops. Uy! Oh, man. Alright. Let's go. I'm gonna find a cover. I spotted one uphill. Let's go sprinting. So we're gonna try to get the chicken dinner that every PUBG player wants to. Oh, I think there's one right here. Oh, wow. I'm gonna be needing those animals. Oh, oops. Oh, there you are. Come here. Don't be shy. I spot you too. It's gonna be fair for us. See if he comes out of hiding again. Oh, I'm gonna be needing. Hey, what's up, man? Alright. I'm needing that thing. Okay. We gotta go fast. Gotta move fast. Don't worry, we're close to get that chicken dinner we want. I hope we get a win on the video. I mean, it's just, you're dying. Like, thanks Playzone for assisting me with those kills. I really appreciate that. We still have 7 more. Oh my god. Oh, prayer stopped. It stopped. So we got, I think it's 30 seconds. It says 30 seconds right there. I think that's what it said. Okay, someone's firing. Let's just focus on driving. We don't want to kill ourselves. Alright, let's try to see what we're at. Alright, never mind. Still 7 more. I can't even see him. I don't know if you guys can see it. Alright, there's another one. And I see him. Hey. Last one. Oh, alright. That was not good. This one. I'm gonna die. Dude. We got 4 out of 60, so thanks for watching, guys. So like and subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you get updated of every day or every other day videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.